What's going on, guys? So here's our room, 1104 at the Hilton, Terminal 2 and 3. Laura is just soaking up the best part of this room, but we'll get to that. This hotel, though, straight off the bat, is insane. Like, I love this. For a airport hotel...
It's good.
Nah, this is better than good. You're playing it down. Anyway, let's start with the bathroom. I love the decor. The tiles, the marble. Very slick. The toilet and a massive walk-in shower with a waterfall shower head. Huge mirror. Do you know what I like about this mirror that you've probably not noticed? I can see you, by the way. There's a plug socket right below it. Handy for the ladies.
For the ladies.
And here's your open wardrobe. There's a hairdryer up there, which you're going to enjoy. Ironing board. Obviously, there's my bag. Iron. Everything you need. We literally just dumped our bags and ran to the window, but we'll show you that bit in a minute. Here, I assume, is your heating. Here's your bedside tables.
Mm-hmm.
The same on both. Sockets, USB. That side has the phone. The bed is pretty humongous.
Wait, we need to do a bed test.
Go on then. What are we rating it?
10 out of 10.
Yeah?
Yes.
It's comfy. She approves. Huge TV. I haven't yet switched it on, but I'm hoping there's Netflix or YouTube or anything on there. Sky. I don't think so, looking at the remote. But under here, you've got a safe. And then a little chilled area. That's where I need to be in a second.
Do the admin.
Do the admin. We need to check in. But we got very excited because of this view. Look at this for a runway view. One way? Runway. And there's a plane just taking off now.
It's amazing.
Perfect timing. We'll just see it take off. But I can't believe how close we are. I thought we'd be a lot further away from the runway than we are. So there's that one. The queue is huge. It looks like there's a massive plane lining up, so we'll try and get that on camera. But also, back to the room, it's got a fridge, it's got a bin, it's got your tea and coffee essentials, it's got a desk, and that is pretty much it. But value for money, we pay $260 for obviously a double room for one night and a runway view, which for me is definitely worth it.
100%.
Laura approves.
Yeah, I'm going to be sat here all night just watching.
Last year, we stayed at the Sofitel, which is on my channel, and it was nowhere near as good as this, and we paid not far off what we paid for today. But no, in terms of rooms, pretty amazing. The bathroom, the mirror, just everything.
It's very classy and sleek.
It just looks brand new. It's got a brand new feel. It's got a fresh scent about it. You know what I mean? But yes, any questions, please drop a comment below. If you like this video, if you're going to stay here, let us know. And we'll see you soon.